In northern Myanmar, a family mourns the death of a 19-year-old who became another victim of the drug trade. Tsu Sai was part of a vigilante group in Kachin state that's been destroying poppy fields. He was allegedly killed when farmers and militia tried to protect their crops.
He used drugs in the past. He felt guilty that he wasted his time. He was willing to help destroy opium fields. My husband and I were very worried, but he was determined. Finally, we let him go.
Pat Jasan is a Christian group that's thought to have around 100,000 members. Its leaders say they're tired of waiting for the military or government to move against drug producers.
Our people are being shot and killed, but we will not stop, because if we don't do it today, then in the future there will be thousands more who will die from all these drug problems.
Myanmar is the world's second largest opium producer, behind Afghanistan, with much of it smuggled across borders. But it's also having a big impact on communities in Myanmar, where there's easy access to drugs. Treatment centres are often crude and involve detaining addicts.
If they'd really wanted to get knocked...
John Whalen is a former Myanmar-based investigator with the United States Drug Enforcement Administration, and he says the business is growing.
More recently, we've seen a gradual increase again in poppy cultivation, but most of this increase was in areas that are controlled by the Myanmar government, as opposed to the various ethnic groups.
Regardless of who's in control, the Pat Jasan group says it has to continue its increasingly dangerous job, despite losing one of its own. Wayne Hay, Al Jazeera.